Hi there, Sandra here from Create in Spain. Today I'm doing another one in my series of pop-ups. Sorry for the banging and crashing in the background. People are cutting trees and it's a little bit noisy. I think they should be gone fairly soon. So this is the card base, and as you can see I've got a couple of fold lines in it. Now these are preferably done by hand. They are just 2 centimeters and 4 centimeters in from the side. So the back has got those on that side. This is one of the front pieces. I've cut it in a little slope shape there. And that one is folded on the left side. And it literally just goes corner to corner like that to form the basis of the card. But we don't want to stick this side down just yet. This is one of 2 designs in the file. I have also given you one for some fish coming out of water as well. So that corner there is going to go to this corner. Give it a good press and allow it to dry. And we want to fold this piece back. So then we come to the main mechanism. Now in the file there are, I think, 3 different versions of this. They have got different angles here, but they all go on the card in the same way, just by using the little triangle there. And what you do is you fold it like so, so that the big triangle or shape is facing you, and then it goes near that fold. Most probably near the top of your front piece. And the only way of really finding out is to put it on temporarily, or to make a mock-up and then work it out from that as to which one you want, because one will come up so that it's more to the left, one will come so it's in the middle a bit more, the other one will come over this side a bit more. But it does depend very much on the shape and the item that you're adding as to which one is most suitable. So, hidden, revealed. I think he needs a little bit more bulk, a little bit more weight. So I will put the other rabbit on the other side and match him up. That is the flat card. Can't see him at all, but up he comes. Brilliant. Does a good job of jumping there. So I know that I've got this bit here, which I could possibly do with some cover. That's better. So now that that's done, I can put some glue on here or here, whichever, and stick this piece on and match it up to the bottom corner. So that's the functioning part of the card done, and the rest is just decor of whatever sort that you like. I actually made a second panel because this card is relatively thin and that card is a bit heavier. And I thought it would be sensible to give it a bit of reinforcement. I did actually put a sun in the file, and then when I cut it out I forgot to put an offset on it, so all the pieces were individual, which I didn't want, so I haven't got that to show you. There's a strip of grass which you can either do as a print and cut, as I have done here, or you can do it in a different colour card. And I've got just a little bit down the corner to trim off. So I have some flowers as well. I've got them in 2 different colours. This is just cut from a coloured card, or I've got this type, and I think I prefer those, which are print and cut ones. And I've got some bigger flowers as well, which I might put on. Just a smattering of flowers. And here's the finished card. I hope you like it, and I hope you give the file a try. As I said, it'll be linked down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Take care now.